You guys know you. All in them people section flexion. Nigga don't even know you. I believe in actions, no words, no weight. Nigga in LA 9 years ago said he was gonna hook me up with Drake. Niggas be talking about this. Niggas be ratting about that. They ain't even got no scraps. Oh lame ass nigga, you at? Bitch, you ain't got no juice. Bitch, you get no juice. And niggas be telling these lies, living they life disguise. Exaggerate for these hoes. Boy, you really think you cold? Bitch, you ain't got no juice. And nobody believes you. And you can't lie. Nigga, you ain't got no juice. You ain't got no juice. You ain't got no juice. Nigga, you ain't Boosie Boo. You ain't Boosie Boo. You ain't Boosie Boo, nigga. You ain't even got no juice like that. No juice like that. You ain't the truth like that. You ain't the truth like that. The truth like that. Nigga don't even know you. Know you. Know you. Nigga don't even know you. Nigga don't even know you. Know you.